In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a thank you page to SurveyMonkey. In order to add a thank you page, you first need to head over to surveymonkey.com, which is their website, and then sign up for an account by clicking onto this Get Started Free option right here, or this Sign Up Free option right there. Now, once you have successfully signed up, you should be able to have an account. In my case, I already have one, so let me head over and just proceed to log in. Let's log in right here. Now, here is actually my actual survey on SurveyMonkey. Now, in order to add a thank you page, you can either create a new ending page within the survey builder, or you can also enable a custom thank you message on the collector options. I have in here this collector. I have the web link and web link too. Now, from in there, you can go over right here to the design survey. Here is our questions. And after this, you can just click on this add content and you can add text instead of question. And then in here, you can actually just input right here your question that you would like to use. So for example, let's input right here one, and then enter in here your text. For example, let's input right here, thank you for your feedback. Now from in there, you can head over and click on save, and then that will add it right here, and this will serve as your thank you page. You can change what it will look like as well as some options right here in order to change it, adjust the layout if you would want, as well as adding it on your library or changing its theme right here. Once you're done, you can just proceed to have it ready and then just proceed to connecting your applications and sending your survey to get some requests or responses. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.